Hi, I'm Aly Dosdall for We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm going to share with you some tips for using the Typecast Typewriter to add details and journaling to your memory keeping projects. One fun way to do that is to add names, dates, locations, or ages directly onto your photo. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is roll that photo through the typecast and type on the blank spots on your photo. Another fun thing to do is to make shaped journaling. You can cut out shapes by hand, or you can print them off on a printer and cut them out and just roll those through your typewriter and type on them. If you take a pencil and trace around your embellishments and then remove them, then you'll know exactly where to type. Also, you can add emphasis to special words in your journaling by using the dual color ribbon feature, and that's really easy to do, so let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to type in black, and then when I'm ready to switch over to my color, I just flip that switch, and I can even do all caps to add more emphasis to my words. What I love about using my Typecast typewriter is it makes this kind of journaling so easy. It's harder and more complicated to try to do it with a printer. It takes me a long time to do it by hand, and I really don't like my handwriting anyways. So the Typecast is a perfect option for adding print and text to any papercraft project. Thanks for joining me. I'm Aly Dosdall for We Are Memory Keepers.